Hello, welcome YouTube. This is William Drosky at William's Home Business Central. There's gotta adjust my there. But the following video there, which I came across, was an advertisement on Facebook, which I'm gonna be playing like just like a few, but there's no sound because I didn't have my speakers hooked up. It's about like along with it says automated pizza making machine. Of course, in my past videos there, I talked about artificial intelligence and AI, and of course Johnny Cab is pretty much a technology that's going to end up doing human race incredible harm. But the following is should be taking some serious thought, which should be trusting these type of devices, along with implementing with as more pizza places integrate their services, like which will be caused to be a great loss in like many jobs or on many people working at these various pizza parlors. But I digress there. Yeah, then once again, as like referring to the video I just played there on the Facebook advertisement there, of course, the link in the description. There's like the videos I'll be putting down like there on this fully automated pizza robot, which makes the pizza from like over there, from top to bottom there, even like slices it there. Now this caused for concern on jobs. What's it gonna do like when all these pizza and Italian places, franchises, chains start implementing these robots in their other restaurants? The thing is, what's going to do is cause like a loss of a great deal of maybe jobs on handmade pizzas there, where the pizza's made by a human. Or there's like some kind of error there, but seems like a great concern, which I brought up in the movie, the Back to the Future movie, the second one, where they have this one scene there called the Cafe 80s. Now, imagine like that all across the border with every restaurant, every pizza chain, every food takeout place had one of these pizza or food robots at there. Well, what you can find yourself there, where you're gonna be in the Cafe 80s there, taking you're giving the orders to some automated machine where they put your order in, which your order is produced and taken and made by this automated machine or robot, which is properly delivered by another automated technical device, whatever it is, maybe, which causes for great concern, which which all these jobs, these food and restaurant workers, these pizza cooks, will all be finding their jobs non-existent. So they're out of job and unemployed with no income. So how are they going to be supporting themselves? How that be affect their families and their financial well-being? Since I'm a cash flow specialist here, dealing with credit restoration, I deal with other ways to earn money from home. So if you have if you're a pizza driver or working a pizza delivery establishment or a food takeout place, leave a comment there below there, and don't forget to subscribe, because I do provide ways to serve other with entrepreneurship, home-based business ideas and resources that can put you in positive cash flow. So leave a comment there. Don't forget to subscribe and share if you're part of my name is Robotmakingpizza, Williams Home Business Central on YouTube, and plus I have a channel there over on Rumble, and over on other social media is Gab, and other social media Schmooze, and Locals.